going? What's happening? Hope you're blessed. Hope you're well every day in every single wonderful way. Thank you for being here with me today. I am Carrot Cass, and I'm here with the Crypto Bliss Show. So if you're ready to get blissed up in the crypto space, then come and join my community, come and join my channel, and we'll see you on the content. So in today's video, I am going to be speaking about the total crypto market caps. I said to you that I've been waiting to launch a video for you for this. So today is that video. So late last night, I did a video for you that there was an absolute emergency because Bitcoin fell out of the, in fact, you know, some people, let's not get into it, but some people believe that the earth has an edge of a cliff. And Bitcoin went cliff hanging last night and literally lost its grip and fell straight off the cliff. Okay, so if you guys want to know more about that, then go and watch that short video. It's only 9 minutes long. It's not very long at all. And thank you for being here with me on the channel today, watching this video, because this video is going to blow your mind out the water. So I have plenty of information to show you. So let's get straight into the content. You guys know that down below, pinned in the comments, is my link for bybit that you can get yourself a $30,000 deposit bonus. Are you ready to go and trade? And if you are, just be patient, because we've already had quite a heavy fall in the Bitcoin price. So I'm not going to say to you that it's going to jump back up anytime soon, because I don't see that, but it has pretty much fallen. So I said to you on this video here that this is the Bitcoin ugly truth, because the Fed has gone extremely hawkish, and we are basically seeing a very ugly truth in Bitcoin now. And I said 17.5K, and last night we came close to it, but not too close. So we'll talk about that now in the video. So if you enjoy this content, please remember to stay tuned for the rest of the video, and stay tuned right to the end, because I'm going to show you things that are going to blow your mind out the water. So today's cryptocurrency market cap, guess what, guys? We are now officially below the $1 trillion market cap. Again, 7.5%. Now I'm going to say something to you guys, that there's a lot of FUD out there in the market, and there's been 90 billion in trading volume. BTC dominance has fallen a little bit, and we still seeing, altcoins. I mean, look at this. Today is a bit more green than yesterday, but everything yesterday was red. Okay, there was literally just blood everywhere. I don't know if somebody killed somebody out there or what happened, but yeah, literally the space just collapsed yesterday. So when we know why, because the Fed is very hawkish. They believe that there's perhaps going to be a higher interest rate hike than the 50 basis points. So let me know what your thoughts are down below, what the Fed is going to do. Do you think they're going to do 25, 50, or 75 basis points? Maybe even 100 basis points. Who knows what these guys are up to at the moment, because they're a private institution that is controlling the entire world's monetary policy and funds. That's crazy. Crazy, guys. There is no equilibrium. If it is a private institution, that means that there's private individuals and investors that want returns on their capital, because it's a business, it's not anything else. So, yeah. So Bitcoin, as you can see, is now sub 20,000. We dropped 8.3% yesterday, and Ethereum is at 1411. That's a big drop in the week. Okay, but nonetheless, we're okay with that. We're okay to see this drop, because this is giving you one last opportunity to buy crypto at these lows. And yes, it might sit down here for a couple of weeks, a couple of months, whatever it might do, and that's okay. It's a good place to be dollar cost averaging into your positions. Buy, 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 and buy. Okay, so, and obviously this video isn't financial advice. Please note that. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing, because I always tell you to buy in the red, not in the green. So BNB is at 272, XRP is at 37 cents, which you can see it's been pretty stable because it's had really good news this week. Cardano is at 30 cents, Dogecoin at 6.5 cents, Polygon at 99 cents. Polygon is amazing, guys. Look at it, dropped 18.4%. I'm going to be scooping me some more of that one for sure. So Polkadot 541, Lido 1409, Solana 1687, Litecoin 7370, Avalanche 1436. Yes, please. I reckon $8 to $10 is what I'm going to be scooping up Avalanche at, but these are good prices to dollar cost average into those positions. So Cosmos at 1083. Where's OKB? OKB all of a sudden not on anywhere near on the top of this list anymore. Oh, yeah, it's down here already. 3911. Sure, fell hard, eh? Aptos at 1045. Lido DAO at 225. Hedera at 5.7 cents, and Quant at 109. Yes, please, guys, go and check out my Quant video that I did for you guys. Okay, it is literally going to blow your mind out the water, and Quant is creeping its way up. Absolutely amazing. Kronos is doing well, and look at that. Near is doing well. VeChain, guys. Now we're really starting to get the top of the crop in crypto in the top 50. Okay, so that's powerful and amazing. And that's what we want to see. Maybe one of these days I'll just do a very, very quick top 50 coins for you guys. Yeah, but anyways, so let's not waste any more time. You can see all the bubbles are in the red. You guys need to know that this is a good time to be investing. aehUX, I did a video for you there as well. Boom, currently down 11.2%. So guys, this is accumulation time, absolute accumulation time. So I don't want to waste your time anymore. Let's get us now straight onto the content. So let's go and have a quick squiz at Bitcoin starting on the monthly time frame. Okay, so now you can see that on the monthly time frame, we've now officially been rejected by my green horizontal line, which, as you can see, is in alignment with this level here. So there was resistance here, resistance here, resistance there. This tapped basically 3 times. So guys, we could potentially fall down a little bit more. We're still above this indicator, which is actually a very strong signal for a buy, but we haven't had the buy indicator just yet. And as you can see, when it is above, it will tell us that there's a sell, and when it's getting ready to sell, it tells us that there's a sell. So be patient here. I want to go and take a closer look on the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame, as I said to you guys, if we break through the blue line, we will literally collapse way down here. And I said the first point would be here, and look at last night's candle. It literally closed above that level. So today's candle is currently fallen below. It's broken yesterday's candle, and we're currently down on that one. So for me, guys, yes, there's a lot of support within this zone here. And honestly, I'm going to say to you that yes, we might bounce, come a little bit lower, maybe to about 19K before we make a little bit of a retracement, either back up to this line. I think we'll make a retracement only back up to this line, not even up here. Make a retracement up to there, and then pull back down to the 17.5K level, which is what I spoke about in this video. Boom, 17.5K is in the cards, guys. Now, if you want to make sure that your investments are protected, then you need to please make sure that you are watching my videos, my content, so that I can show you where to look at for potential happenings in the market. So guys, this is a crazy chart. Let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin with the ribbon, the EMA ribbon, because the EMA ribbon has been rejected on the monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame we're now testing the last EMA line, and we are testing this bottom line here. So for me, if we are to come down, and I'm just going to show you very, very quickly the potential of us coming down to this level at the very least, which is 16.5, call it 16,000 at the absolute most. That will probably be where we retest this all-time high. So we've tested it 1, 2, 3 times. We test it and find some support and make a new higher high. Then I believe we will be looking for a longer momentum to a bull action in this chart. But that's not why I'm here to talk to you. I'm here to talk to you today about the crypto market cap. It looks exactly the same as Bitcoin, and that's because Bitcoin makes up for most of the dominance. So you can see here, there's a down, that was pulled way out of the line. That's there's a downward sloping trend there, and if you look here, we have almost that kind of pattern. So it's not very, in other words, since we've been here, yes, it's dropped, yes, it's pump, drop, but essentially we're meeting longer longer term resistance and support levels, and this is where I would suggest we look at a potential buy opportunity in the crypto market cap, and that's about 790 billion in the market cap. Now that's huge, guys. That's a huge drop from where we are still today. That's at least another 25% from where we are. This is the crypto altcoin market cap. Now it's the similar pattern. We're in a downward sloping channel. Okay, so essentially a downward sloping channel is a bullish channel, but it's only bullish once it breaks out. It's not bullish when it's still sitting in the pattern. So the same with this one. When it's bullish, then it converts into bullish, then we'll come and reach the top here, which is about 1.3 trillion. We were almost there not too long ago, which is great. So you can see here we were met with the resistance. There's a sell here, and there was a sell there and a buy there because we thought we were going to pump out. But guys, actually, let's go and show you something very quickly. Wall Street sheet, because I've shown you this before, and we actually have been speaking about this for a very, very long time. And basically, if we look at it, and let's just open this one. Okay, currently, in fact, here's a very nice one to open. Open nicely for us. Okay, so you can essentially see that. So we did this, boom, we pumped up. Okay, we pumped up. We had our first punch, so let's go and have a quick squiz at that on the day time frame. We had our pump up here. Okay, it was a bit of a rally, then we carried on falling. Now we've had another pump up here. So what does that look like for us? So here's the first pump up, it fell. Here's the second pump up. Okay, as you guys can see, we made the first high, and as you can see, this is an M pattern. This is an M pattern, and here's another M pattern. M pattern means breakdown. If it's inverted, it's bullish. So you can see here an M pattern, okay, and we hit there, and now it just slowly grinds its way down until we've broken a new lower low, which essentially would be perhaps coming down to somewhere within this region, guys. I'm going to say to you that maybe 12 to 14,000 is still in the cards for Bitcoin. I don't know. I'm not a genie in a bottle, but I'm just showing you what Wall Street is saying. And then essentially, like, you start a very, very slow grind up. There's disbelief, but by that time, I mean, you're already up 50% of this downfall here with a bearish market. So very interesting. The dollar, as you can see, is still slightly more bullish than anything else. But yeah, as I said to you guys in my video yesterday, that might be the high, and then we might find a lower, it making a lower low, and then we'll eventually have a downward sloping trend line, which is a bearish pattern for the dollar. Now, the S&P has broken out of its long-term trend down. Then there's an upward channel here. It's broken this channel now, but it is still above this channel, and it is finding some support, the wedge, sorry, finding some support here. So if we bounce and return back up here, that would be good. Now, Bitcoin and the S&P 500 have already, on the buying opportunities, they're not correlating anymore, but only on the selling positions, they're correlating, and you can see that here. So fall and S&P fall. So very, very interesting. The charts are no longer looking the same, or not as much of the same, but again, you have the upward channel, and you can see that we had just different moves. So it's time to disencorrelate with that chart. So we've broken. Here's my target. There's my target for you guys: 17,800, 17,900. So be patient. Wait for the opportunity. If you want to sell this, you can still make a bit of cash. But yeah, just be very cautious when trading. Thank you for watching my channel and my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Please let me know if you did down below. I would really appreciate that. Blessed energy from you, my special community. Thank you. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.